Hey, it's Zoe. Welcome back to my channel. It's about 4:30 in the morning, so I thought I would give you guys a hospital room tour. If you're curious. If you're not, then I'm still making it. I don't know what to say. Also, I have paint all over my hands. I'll show you. I was just painting. Artsy fartsy. Okay, let's do the tour because I don't know. I really don't know, but look at my braids. They're so ugly. Okay, so first thing in my room is my IV pool, which I decked out with my dinosaur, a Hollister hat, and a puffball, a little hairbrush, and some hand sanitizer. So we have that. Right now I'm only on fluids. They cut down my antibiotics, which is good, but yeah. And then over here, I have my promposal poster. He promposed like in the hospital, and it was really cute, and all the nurses were like googie over it. Googie? I don't know. What kind of word is googie? I don't know. This is my sink. It has blue in it because I was just painting. Here's a bag of fluids that was draining. Here's a flashlight for neuro checks. Heating pad. Paintbrushes with some water. Extra O2 sensor. This is a bag of like paint and glitter. And these are my paintings of Galaxy over here. And this is like a toiletry bucket. And then there's this little window that you can like turn if you want. You can see out there. Next is my bed. I have two pillows. Finding Dory pillow, which is mine from home, and then I have the hospital pillow. And I have this really super fluffy pillow, blanket, and see, I'm not even lying about the time. It's almost 4:30. But yeah, so that's that. Then I have this Finding Dory lunchbox with crayons and my Tangle, and some sticky notes and highlighters, my Bible and stuff. I have the remote for the TV, and this TV is really cool because if you see this thing right there, it controls the TV, and you can type out stuff and watch YouTube and whatnot. And then on my desk I have an Ensure, a water bottle, Purell. Let me just sit down. Purell that I stole from my OBGYN. Just kidding. Actually, did I steal this? No, this is mine from my hospital bag. Just kidding. This is my journal right here, my poetry journal. Ding, ding. Yeah, you can't read that. I'm just kidding. These are my two stones, healing stones over here, a fidget spinner. My earrings are in this little container, an Ensure just in case. Vaseline, water bottle, puke bags, coloring book, Bible, coloring book, journal, book by Justin Kendrick, my capacitor. And then here is my camera. Right now I'm just filming off my iPhone because it was easier with the pole. Oh, did you just hear those pops? That was so gross. But, yeah. Alright, next we have my little board up here with, I'm just covering up people's names with the goals and stuff like that. But yeah. Next is the bathroom. Nothing special. And then the shower is in here, and I have a shower chair so I don't pass out. So we're gonna close that door. Next is dirty linens here, and the card I got from my Nana, and a puzzle I did. And this is a blanket for guests. And then that's me with my mismatching outfit. Wow, I look really fat right now. think it's just the patterns. I'm really not that fat. Anyways, my backpack, my purse, my hat, a picture frame I made for my mom for Mother's Day. Uno was right there too. My giraffe ears that the Easter Bunny got me. And then there's me again. Hello world. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe it. I look like that. All my makeup is over here. Some dry shampoo, because you always need that in the hospital. And then in here, I have a couple of snacks, a journal, and this like knitting thing. And this is the linen closet right here. My Alexa, my water.
Sorry, your speaker has lost internet connection.
That was creepy. And then in here, I have to pull my stupid thing back. And in here, I have Cheez-Its, an orange, 2 oranges actually, which I have not eaten. And this is a superhero bag with like a cape in it and stuff. And then in here are all my clothes. Yeah, that's about it. If you guys like this video, please subscribe. Most of my video views are from non-subscribers, and I would really love like a bigger audience if possible. Not for like the fame or anything, because that's really hard to get off YouTube sometimes. I just would like to reach more people and like make an impact, you know what I mean? You know? Anyways, that was it for the video. I'm watching Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone in the background. Now it's about 5:30, and I took about like 5 minutes, but yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day or night, and like I said, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys later.